So, hello everyone. Today I have built the chatbot regarding the customer care agent. So, for the backend, I have used the Node modules, and as well for the programming language, I have used the TypeScript. And these are the dependencies which I have installed: the body parser, .env, Express, Node Fetch, OpenAI, PG for the Postgres database, and yeah, so on for the back end. So for the front end, I have used the React MUI components, and yeah, so on. For so to build the Retell AI agent, I have used the Retell SDK, and yeah, that's all. So my front end and back end is completely running up and running in my local. So currently I can do chat with the uh, call center AI. So for that I will simply go to the voice audio features. Okay, so yeah, I'll go to the audio features, and we can simply chat with the voice. Okay, so fine, so let's continue. If I click on the mic and say that, what is your business
Hello,
hour?
this is Cust. Hi, thanks for reaching out. Could you tell me a bit more about what you need help with for your business? Are you looking to check an order status or maybe return a package?
Okay, so yes, tell me about your return policy.
Sure, I can help with that. Our return policy usually allows you to return most items within 30 days of delivery, as long as they're in their original condition. Is there a specific item you're looking to return, or do you need help starting a return?
Okay, fine, thank you. So what is your business hours?
Just to clarify, this is the customer support department. If you need
Yeah,
help
yeah,
with
yeah,
something
yeah,
like,
yeah. I'm asking you, what is your business hour?
hi, this is the customer support department. Is there something specific I can help you with today? Like
Yes,
checking an order
yes,
status or maybe
yes. What is your business hour?
our business hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with today,
Okay,
like
great.
checking an
How
order
long
status or
how long does it take for the shipping?
shipping usually takes about 3 to 5 business days, depending on your location and the shipping method you choose. Do you want to check the status of a specific order, or is there anything else I can help you with?
Okay, thank you for that. Now, how can I do payment? What kind of payment do you accept?
Yeah, so we accept most major payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. If you have a specific order in mind, I can help you with the payment process or check your order status. Just let me know.
Okay, cool. Do you offer a warranty?
Yeah, most of our products do come with a standard warranty, but it can vary depending on the item. If you have a specific product
Okay,
in
okay,
mind, I
fine.
can.
Thank you. That's all. Bye.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let us know.
So yeah, this is how the chat call center AI assistant for the voice works, and for the text I have opened in Ace. So here I will simply reload this page, and I'll type hi.
Thank you for contacting us. I'm here to help with questions about our hours, returns, shipping,
Now I will
payments,
read comments
warranties,
that what is
account management,
your
and technical support.
business
How
hour.
can I assist you today? Our customer service is available Monday through Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Estate. For urgent matters outside business hours, please leave a voicemail and we will respond within 24 hours. We accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, PayPal.
So yeah, this is how both the audio plus text chat is working for the call center AI, and it's built using the retail uh, AI SDK. And hmm, and currently I'm using the OpenAI. So the OpenAI asking for the subscription, and right now I don't have the subscription, so I'm using the static data for chat. But yeah, as well for the audio I'm using both the static data. And yeah, I have used the pg admin for the database. And that's all for today. Thank you, have a great time.